Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm David.
And I'm Emily. Today, we're going to talk about something we all do, shopping.
Yes, we'll learn how to ask for prices, try things on, and pay politely in English.
That's right. So let's go shopping together. In English. When you enter a store, the shop assistant might say, "Hello, can I help you?"
And you can answer, "Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt." Or, "No, thank you. I'm just looking."
That's polite. Remember, it's always good to say please and thank you.
Exactly. Let's do a little example. Emily as shop assistant.
"Hello, can I help you?"
"Yes, please. I'm looking for a blue t-shirt."
"Sure. What size do you need?"
"Medium, please."
"Here you go. You can try it on in the fitting room."
"Thank you."
"You're welcome."
That's a simple and friendly conversation you can use anywhere.
Yes. Now let's talk about asking for prices.
You can ask, "How much is this?" Or, "How much does it cost?"
For example, "How much is this t-shirt?" And the shop assistant might say, "It's $15."
If you want to buy more than one item, you can ask, "How much are these shoes?"
That's right. Remember, this for one thing, these for more than one.
Once you're ready to buy, you can say, "I'll take it," or "I'll take these."
Then the assistant might ask, "Would you like to pay by cash or card?"
You can answer, "By card, please," or "Cash, please."
After you pay, don't forget to say, "Thank you very much."
And they'll probably say, "You're welcome. Have a nice day." Let's do a full shopping conversation, shall we?
Sure. I'll be the shop assistant again.
Emily as shop assistant.
"Hello, can I help you?"
"Yes, please. I'm looking for a pair of shoes."
"Of course. What color would you like?"
"Black, please."
"What size are you?"
"I'm a size 42.
"Here you go. You can try them on over there."
"Thank you. They fit very well. How much are they?"
"They're $45.
"Okay, I'll take them."
It's great. Would you like to pay by cash or card?"
"By card, please."
"Thank you very much. Here's your receipt."
"Thank you. Have a nice day."
"You too. Bye."
That's a perfect example. Very polite and easy to understand.
Yes, and those phrases are useful for shopping anywhere. Clothes, groceries, or gifts.
Let's review today's key phrases. Can I help you? I'm looking for. How much is this? I'll take it. Cash or card? Thank you very much.
Excellent. You can practice these phrases when you go shopping in real life.
Now, it's your turn. Imagine you are in a shop. Practice asking for something and buying it.
Here's an example.
I'm looking for a hat. How much is this one? I'll take it. Thank you.
You can even practice with a friend. One person can be the shop assistant, and the other can be the customer.
That's all for today's Everyday English podcast.
We hope you enjoyed shopping with us today.
Next time, we'll talk about going to the doctor, how to explain when you're not feeling well.
That's an important one.
Yes, it really is. Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.